Guys, what is going on? And welcome back to the channel. Thank you all for being a part of Not Your Father's Capital. And in this video, I'm going to tell you what is going on with Bitcoin and what historical feat they are about to capture. So please stick around to the end of this video. Hit the subscribe button down below. It does help the channel grow. And give us a like if you do appreciate the content that we put out there for you guys on the daily. And with that being said, let's get down into the crypto bubbles and check the charts on the day. You can see a very flat day as it relates to the global broad crypto market. Bitcoin up 0.4% on the day. And if we take a closer look at the number one crypto, according to market capitalization, we can see that on the week up 23%, a huge recovery as we look at Bitcoin getting back over to 20,000 level and further. Okay, so this is doing a very positive service to the momentum and the sentiment surrounding crypto. Not just Bitcoin, Ethereum, all of the altcoins are doing very well on the week. Okay, so we're seeing huge gains across the board, and I want to see this keep going, all right? So what we're going to talk about in this video is Bitcoin's 2023 winning streak is 1 day away from making significant history, okay? Bitcoin continues to trade into green, all right, and we are seeing the possibility of breaking in a historical feat that will obviously give influence and propel Bitcoin into more short-term price action, okay? So right now, Bitcoin is on a 14-day winning streak, okay? In the green, 14 consecutive days. And you'd have to go back 10 years to get to that the longest win streak, okay, back in November 2013, okay? So we have just basically, not to mention we have recovered in a way in 2023 that we have not done in previous years as it relates to crypto. And what I mean by that is crypto has taken a beating in 2022 towards the end. So it is only basically, it's kind of just obvious to factor in that crypto can only go up, and it's going to see a lot of continual green movements compared to other years where it's been pretty much constant and less volatility. Okay, but 2022 was full of a lot of downward volatility, and surpassing the 2013 win streak would give more positive volatility to Bitcoin. I think we would see more green. I think this record could get shattered into the 20-day win streak before we see eventually people look to take profits and kind of solidify some of their assets as they look to rebuild their wallets and move forward after what we have went through in 2022. So currently, at the time of this recording, Bitcoin is at 21,146 and basically is trying to hold that position after 14 days. We are still rallying, like I said, over 20% in the last week, okay? And that was basically when we had a short-term consolidation around the 17K level. And at that 17,000 level, you can see we were pretty much just trading sideways. I think the fear in the markets was just leading to so much uncertainty and doubt that it was impossible to predict anything future other than, is this the bottom? And you cannot go any lower from here, okay? So that was a lot of the sentiment that I was getting across the board from a lot of crypto analysts and people involved with the situation on, on a longer term outlook. You can definitely make the case not just of bullish for Bitcoin, but just the sheer fact that it cannot go any lower. Okay, so now the focus is, can we maintain this record? Can we keep these days going, keep stringing along more positive days into the green? Okay, and that could help Bitcoin as well as all the other altcoins to regain some of these all-time highs that we saw in the bull run in 2021. Okay, so now everybody's saying, the analysts are saying, we are seeing the bulls take control of the market. All right, now if that will continue, that will suggest that there's more upside in the near term, okay? And basically, we are seeing these recent highs kind of just continuing day after day, and that's what we want to see because the buy sentiment is at 15, okay? So the moving averages are a strong buy at 13 when we look at the bullish momentum, and these are the daily gauges that we're getting from TradingView, and you know, obviously there are some doubts and some bears that are indicating the sells coming in out of 4. However, we are seeing that Bitcoin, as well as all of the other cryptos, are in a strong buy position according to TradingView. Okay, so also another catalyst that is helping out this price action and continuing the run of wins that Bitcoin is accumulating is the macroeconomic gains, okay? So we are seeing the cooling on inflation. The inflationary data has succeeded a little bit, and we are seeing a possible slowing down of future and subsequent rate hikes from the Fed, and that is going to basically kind of just reverberate where we were in 2022 before the Fed kind of took control and injected all of this fear into the markets, not just in crypto, but globally in broader markets. Okay, so we are also seeing the optimism with the possible entry of more investors and getting the more institutional money back into the fold. All right, so that money, as I've said in earlier videos and across the board, is just sitting on the sidelines waiting for its day to get back injected into crypto. Okay, so that is basically what we are at right now. And also, as I talk about, I do think the waters have retreated when we talk about the fear coming from the FTX fallout, as well as Sam Bankman-Fried and all of that collapse that we've witnessed with the exchanges in 2022. So once again, not financial advice. Please do your research with everything financial. However, these are just my personal opinions as it relates to Bitcoin and the state of crypto. So thank you guys for watching. Hit that subscribe button if you have not done so already, and like this video. It does help the channel grow, and we will see you all in the next video.